Made in China, a term that has attracted global attention, represents reliability and opportunity for the world's manufacturing industry. More and more scientific and technological elements in China are also accelerating integration with the world. At the ongoing 2021 World Manufacturing Convention held in Hefei, Anhui province, a variety of high-tech made-in-China projects, including new generation information technological products, new energy vehicles, intelligent connected vehicles, are unveiled.
Monitoring sleep, answering calls, mobile payment, this smartwatch can handle all these things. In China, you can easily buy it in brick-and-mortar stores or online platforms, but is it available in other countries around the world?
I'm standing in front of an electronic equipment retail store in Brussels, capital of Belgium. Let's go inside and see if we can find some made-in-China smartwatches and other products here.
Smart wearable devices that integrate cutting-edge display screens with artificial intelligence software is a concentrated reflection of the sense of technology and fashion of made-in-China products. Smart watches manufactured in China are popular among consumers and retailers in the European markets. For example, Amazfit, a Chinese smartwatch brand, has entered the market of more than 70 countries and regions. According to International Data Corporation, China's wearable device market shipped 36.14 million units in the second quarter of this year, a year-on-year increase of 33.7%.
In the wave of a new round of global technological and industrial reforms, made-in-China products are integrating more closely with the world. In addition to providing smart manufacturing products to the world, China has also established technological cooperation with more than 160 countries and regions, participated in more than 200 international organizations and multilateral mechanisms, and actively contributed to the world's technological innovation and manufacturing progress. Every day, numerous smart watches, innovative display screens, new energy vehicles are shipped from China's production lines to the world. These made-in-China products will present the world with a more advanced sci-tech experience.